Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to download and install Rayon design in your computer. So it has a clear tab of download. You can just go right over there, make on it. You can see faster on a desktop, works with focus and things like that. So we just have to Rayon for desktop, download for Windows. So then it will start downloading its package, which is right over here. It is around 92 MB for now. Right now, you'll have to wait until the full Rayon setup is downloaded. You can skip the video for around 10 to 20 seconds to reach to the stage that it completes the whole download. Once the whole setup is downloaded, then you just have to click on it. It will open the first setup files, and now the Rayon setup is being installed. You can see it on the screen, which is right over here. It might again take a few seconds or a few minutes. You can skip the video again for around 20 seconds until the whole install setup is being processed. Let's jump to the desktop to see the Rayon. Let's do continue with Google for now. We sign up with our. So after the whole sign up of the Rayon, this is how it actually asks you about the features and the customization that you actually work on right now. So this is a free version of Rayon. So it is actually signing me up right now. So let's try zoom in and zoom out. Okay, it's working very nice. It is actually perfect. It's going well. Then now using a mouse. Okay, next. So zoom in and zoom out is done. Then let's draw a wall and create a new room. So here's the wall and command of press again. So all the tutorials for the basics of Rayon will be continued in the next video. So this video was specifically on how to install Rayon and just it and nothing else. So stay tuned for the next videos on how what are the basics